Hi, my name is Jennifer Penrose, owner of Penrose Physical Therapy, and we are hosting a free nutritional wellness workshop. And let me tell you who this is for. This is for somebody who really wants to know what nutrients help with more energy and improve physical performance. So this would be for somebody who just really is feeling like they want to improve their strength, let's say, and endurance with running, and they would like to know what nutrients would help boost that a little bit. Or for someone who has been somewhat inactive and is just feeling like I really could use some more energy to get me back on track and more physical performance. It helps in those individuals as well. So it's not just the elite athletes. This information that I'll go over, I'll review the science where they tested elite athletes, but they also tested it in just regular sedentary individuals as well. And both showed significant improvements. So we will go over that. So if you want more energy from a natural plant-based compound, then I'll talk about that. This workshop is also for someone who's interested in what natural plant compound helps with memory, cognition, just mental sharpness. So if you're wanting that and to protect that, I will talk about what the literature is showing for what nutrients seem to be showing via brain MRI and memory cognitive testing. So that if that is a concern for you, then this workshop would be great to attend. And if you're just wanting to know what key nutrients are going to be helpful for you as an athlete, or just in general, I think there's definitely a lot more research these days that show what minerals and vitamins we're a little bit lacking in our society. So we'll kind of go over magnesium deficiency and the vitamin Bs, and some other things that would be helpful for you to be aware of, and to also make sure you're getting enough of that in your diets. And then if you just I've been really curious about this antioxidant scanner, where it scans your hand in less than a minute and gives you your antioxidant score, which is what we've been talking about. And we will be doing that this evening at this workshop for free. And that would give you a baseline to know if you're really eating the fruits and vegetables that you need to. So there's a lot of evidence to this study showing that the antioxidant scanner is more reliable than a blood test. But the Yale Cancer Center performed a 10-year study on that. So it is amazing. We've come a long way in this world of being able to hold basically a computer or a smartphone in our hand. And now we can get our skin scanned to give us a more reliable test than a blood test in terms of our antioxidant status. So it's a pretty exciting time to be alive. But I hope to use that information for your benefit so that you can make better choices for your health, so that you can enjoy health on your terms with more mobility and enjoy life longer and with less pain. So that's why we're here. So sign up for the workshop if any of that appeals to you. Look forward to seeing you. Thanks.